ఎల్రిಗೂ నమస్ಕಾರ అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఎలా ఉన్నారు? టీజర్ ఎలా ఉంది? బాగుందా? దయచేసి క్షమించండి, ఐ వాజ్ వీవర్ లేట్, సో దయచేసి డోంట్ మైండ్. అండ్ ఆల్సో నాకు తెలుగు అంతా బాగా రాదు, అండ్ ఐ ట్రై టు టాక్ ఇన్ తెలుగు. అండ్ I won't take much time. I just want to thank the entire team of our movie KD, especially the cameraman Williams and my producer Suprit sir and Venkat sir, my music director Arjun Janya sir, especially my director Prem sir, and my heroine Reshma madam. And I'm very very happy that I worked with Mr. Legend, and he is my favorite actor. Not only my favorite actor, Action King Arjun Sarja's favorite actor, Sanju Baba, and my brother's favorite actor, my grandmother's favorite actor, and might be my daughter's favorite actor also in future. So thank you so much for the opportunity. That's all I can say. And I worked with the Shilpa ma'am. And I always like working with these people because they'll teach me. If I'm doing something wrong, they'll say, no, you have to do like this. Especially Shilpa ma'am told me twice, saying, no, you have to little lesson. No, you can. So she'll be correcting. So I learned a lot of things from ma'am. And thank you so much. It means a lot. And దయచేసి రిలీజ్ తర్వాత దయచేసి విత్ ఫ్యామిలీ మూవీ చూసి ఆశీర్వాదం చేయండి. ఇట్స్ రిక్వెస్ట్. అండ్ ఐ లవ్ యూ. జై ఆంజనేయ.